Howdy folks, welcome back. Today's video I'm going to be addressing the windlace issue that's coming out of place in my car, 1962 Ford Galaxie. As you can see, it was a very common thing. It's rusty, it's hanging, it's looking kind of nasty. I'm not sure when, I think that's the original windlacing. So I've gone along and tried to repair the other three doors. This is the last one. I'm going to show you a couple little techniques I've used to kind of put it back in place, make it look a little better than it was. I've watched a lot of videos about people using paper clips and glue and adhesive and tacks and all kinds of home remedies to try to keep it in place. I mean, the best way to do it is when you're putting the headliner in, to put them in at the same time, because there's a bunch of alligator teeth on the inside of this little strip that goes between the headliner and the windlace, and they kind of snag onto there. But they're not actually screwed in here along here anywhere, except for a couple of tabs that make it tight. So I'll show you what I did on the other side. This last door here, I'm going to do a quick video about what I'm using. It may not work for everybody. It's a double-sided adhesive tape, but it seems to work. And down this side, and we go on the inside. I'll show you. It's not too bad. It looks nice and tight here now. We'll see how long it holds, but the tape is super tacky, and it seemed to work pretty good for that door, the three doors. So I'm going to do the last door and show you how I did it. To be continued in part 2 till I figure out this video editing part.